So I'm at the airport now, and I'm getting ready for my trip. Olivia's obviously taking me because she's the best friend ever. So yeah, we're here. And now I have to sit on the last flight. But you know, I'm going to the lounge.
Say bye.
Bye, bitch!
Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I ain't asking. They say they love my ass and 7 jeans to religion. I say no, but they keep giving.
So I wanted to do a quick little room tour because I love doing those and they're super fun. So let's do a room tour. This is my outfit. This is off-white. These jeans are 7 for All Mankind. Super cute and distressed. Yes. Shoes by YSL. So yeah, room tour. So this is my bed. I put my luggage on there so I could unpack. This is a Voluspa candle because I love bringing candles on my trips. I already went through another one, so this is just another one. Water. This is my other bag for t-shirts and stuff, other than that one. But I didn't unpack this because I already am full of clothes. These are all my hoodies. Marcelo Burlone, Alchemist, Supreme, Champion. This is my short section now. I have 2 pairs of jeans, sweatpants, off-white shorts, Liverquinn swimming trunks. I brought 3 of these. J. Crew shorts. These are penguin shorts. They're really cute. And then down there, I have my underwear, my socks, and another hoodie from SoulCycle. This one's super cute. It has like lightning bolts everywhere. So yeah, this is my little corner to get ready. My passport cover. This is from Louis Vuitton. My wallet from Prada. I lost my smaller card holder. These are all products that I'm going to be trying out on my blog. This was in the room. It's like a little sun garden, and I love these. When I used to go to camp as a kid, like our camp had one, and it was just fun to play with. That is the view. It's super pretty. This is the fireplace. It's just turned off. I don't know why. Hello. There we go.
My loving got you.
So now the bathroom. I actually like this bathroom. It's really pretty. So I'm staying at the Intercontinental. This is my bathroom. That is the tub. It has like a little product there. This is like my vanity section. I brought my Tumi pouch, which I'll be reviewing all the products later on in my trip. Tumi makeup bag. I bring my own stuff just because this is like all hair stuff and then this is body stuff. This I'll talk about later because this has saved my life. The shower, super cute, toilet, and yeah, this is my room. It's super cute, just like me. So yeah, I will be vlogging more on my trip. I have a lot coming, so yeah, stay tuned and turn on the notification button. Oh, I also unpacked all my coats and stuff. So like this is all my stuff that I am gonna wear and take pics with. You know the drill. Oh my god, that just fell. Also, I brought these shoes, my Gucci shoes, another pair of YSLs. I took a pic in New York with these, they're really cute. My new Daniel Patrick's, they're made in Italy. My Margiela's and my Rafts. So let's go do some stuff.
They say I'm really sexy. The boys they wanna sex me. They always standing next to me, always dancing next to me, trying to feel my hump, looking at my love.
So I was just sitting on my bed and I was like, why not vlog? Because I'm wearing a face mask and I'm watching Netflix. I'm watching Travelers right now. It is literally so good.
Man, boy, I'm just trying to dance, boy.
So this is the outfit I decided on today. This is Comme des Garçons. This These are Articles of Society, and those are Daniel Patrick. So yeah, this is my outfit, and let's go.
My lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps, my lovely lady lumps in the back and in the front. My loving got you.
So right now, I am wearing a face mask that I will show you right now, and I'm gonna show you like my night routine that I've been using while I've been on this trip. Also, I'm pretty sad because my candle ran out, and I brought it for this trip because I knew that I wanted it. And I really like to bring scents on trips because, I don't know, I feel like vacation's like a time to relax. So might as well go big or go home. But now it's dead. And this is the Voluspa Pomegranate Blood Orange. I literally am really in love with Voluspa. But if you want to read about my favorite scents, you can go on my blog. It's on my Instagram in the link. And I talk about a couple different things. You can shop straight from the website. And I haven't done like a formal introduction to my blog on my YouTube channel. And that's something that I kind of have to do. But I've kind of been putting it off. I don't know why, just because like I want my blog to be more perfect, but everyone tells me it's really good. So I'm like kind of confused. But yeah, let's go to the bathroom. The jeans I'm gonna wear, they're super cute. I'm wearing pinky socks because obviously. And they're from Ralph Lauren, super cute. Definitely would recommend. So let's go to the bathroom. Let's go. Oh, also, I kind of look like a psychopath, but it's like really cute. And like, also, please tell me why in every single hotel I stay in, no matter where, it's all yellow lighting. This doesn't make my mask pop. It doesn't make my skin pop. So please, hotels, fix it. Okay. So now to serious business, mentally gone just like me. Okay, so right now I am using the Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. And it is supposed to make your skin tighter and a little more hydrated and just like, you know, give you that glow for the day. So, but if you haven't already watched my other Glam Glow video, go watch it. It's literally every single mask except for this one because they hadn't come out with this one yet. So they didn't really get to it, kind of stopped YouTube, kind of, I don't know. But if you want a full review of everything, watch my first Glam Glow video and another will be going up soon with this one plus the Sonic mask because I also got that one from them, but I didn't really feel like bringing it. So yeah, also I saw that they came out with a new moisturizer, but yeah, this is what I brought. And then this is my makeup bag. And also I bring products all the time on trips just because I feel like you never know where you're gonna be. You never know what you're gonna go through, the struggles. So I always bring products. This is the Philip Beauty Nourishing and Conditioning Cream. It's amazing for any person that has like dry hair or experiences like, I don't know, just if your hair, you want some pop-in shit for it, get that. I also have the Venus oil. I got this stuff when I colored my hair in New York and turned to platinum white. So I will put a photo there. This stuff literally saves my hair from coloring, like saved. And this, so buy these two things if you want it. I'll put them up on my blog soon, I'll link it. This is the L'Occitane body cream. This shit hardcore. I fell in love with L'Occitane like years ago, but I really got into it after a stay at the Four Seasons in Whistler because I stayed there like 3-4 years ago. And I went skiing with my dad, it was super fun, whatever. And they had that in the bathroom and I fell in love. And I also have the travel sizes for like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, but I didn't bring that because I'm dumb. But I brought other shampoo and conditioner. So yeah. So now for like everything that I brought in my little me toiletry bag. It's super big. It literally fits so much crap. Like literally crap. I bring this everywhere. And I bring so many products because I always check on luggage and like if you're gonna go big or go home, like take everything. So I brought some things that I'm trying out and just things I like in general. Obviously deodorant. I brought the Sisley Radiant Express Glow Mask. Whatever. That's gonna be on my vlog soon because I wrote the other one, Tropical Resins Sisley Mask, and this is the Radiant Express, but as you can tell, it's literally empty. Like if I squeeze this, there's nothing. Like, do you hear that? That's how much I love this. Sisley, you're amazing, thank you. Please work with me one day. What else did I bring? Okay, so I brought the Glam Glow Balsamic Moisturizer. It is literally amazing. So I brought 2 Glam Glow things. I usually bring like 3 Glam Glow masks just because I'm literally in love with them, but I literally recommend these. Like when I started using Glam Glow, would see it on all these like models and influencers like Instagrams, and I was like, what's the hype? So I went to Sephora and I got some stuff and I fell in love with it and I started tagging them and then they just started working with me out of nowhere. Thank you, God. So yeah, these are the 2 things I'm using right now. This moisturizer is Life. If you have dry skin, use it. This, we're trying out. I'll get back to you. Oh, I did bring 3 things, but like, I don't know why. But like, I do know why, but whatever. I also brought the Glam Glow lip treatment. It like is the exfoliating one, not... Ooh, actually I think I brought both, but we'll see. I also brought my Foreo. It is amazing. Do not wash your face with your hands because that is disgusting. Do you know how many germs you have in your hands? A million. Better than the Clarisonic because it doesn't like hold bacteria, and since it's silicone, it doesn't trap bacteria into the brushes. And also just the Clarisonic is really expensive. I remember like having to go through brushes like every 2 months, and the brushes are pretty expensive. And if you're really like clean, you'd probably change your Clarisonic like every week because that's what you should do. But like they say every 2 months, but that thing smells bad after literally a week, so I don't know why. But this, amazing investment, the Foreo, it's like $100. And if you go through my blog, there's also a link. So I'll link my blog down below, honestly, because I guess this is like how I'm introducing my blog, because I really haven't been on YouTube for a while. I've just been doing my blog. I brought the Fresh Soy Cleanser just because you always need a backup cleanser that works for your skin type, and I know that one does. So now for the products that I'm testing out. This will also be on my vlog, but as a blog post review. So yeah, I got this at Nordstrom. First, it's the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam. It is literally Life at the moment. We don't know yet. I like feel it like removing a lot of dead skin just because, you know, everyone sheds, so. And I also got Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I was told that you could use this during the day and at night, and I have been, and I kind of like how it's like leaving my moisturizer. It kind of feels nice. I also got that night cream. I really like it. I used it like 2 nights already, and it like already has helped a lot. So yeah. Also, this is the coolest thing. Like, when I say cool, I like cool products that are like innovative and like different. But I got the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Intensive Recovery Ampules, and this is what it comes in. And if you can see, it's like a bunch of different little capsules. So like the capsules look like this, and you get one, and it just looks like that. And you break it in your hands, and it's like a serum moisturizer kind of thing. And honestly, well, actually no, this is the serum, this is the moisturizer. This is Life. Like literally I've used this 2 days and like Life already. So we're gonna see like after a week how I feel about this. If I like it, I'll be buying the bigger size, but honestly I already kind of like it and I feel like I'm already gonna buy it. So yeah, there's that. So yeah, those are the products I've been using at the moment. Oh, hold on. Other bag. Also, you want a serum that is fire and is kind of expensive but not super expensive. Oh, also, obviously the Evian toner, Life. Honestly, you drink water, and I use this because it literally is water. So it's like, they say that this is pH balanced, and it comes from like the French Alps. And I believe it. Like literally this doesn't make me break out. And when I use other toners, sometimes I break out because toners have chemicals. And if you're not checking your toner, it might have alcohol, and alcohol dries out your skin. So if your toner has alcohol, throw that shit away. Okay, so now for what I was trying to show you guys. These are the Farsali drops. These are the Farsali drops. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I'm in love with these things. I have 2 of these and the gold Life. It looks like this, and the purple ones like don't make you break out because they're like non-cosmogenic, whatever. And the gold ones are more for like intense moisture, like when you go somewhere cold or like you switch climates and then like your skin gets really dry. That's what the gold ones are for, but these are kind of like an everyday. I wear these before my moisturizer. It's kind of like my new serum other than this, because this I'm trying out, this I'm in love with already. So if you want a serum that I love, try this. So yeah. Oh, also, I applied my mask with the YSL brush that I'm in love with, but it broke. Don't know why. So I have to go to Sephora. But whatever, honestly. It doesn't matter. You still look hot. So yeah. Thanks for watching. But I'm not done. So yeah, that's kind of the gist of it. Thanks for watching. You love my lady lumps, my humps, they got you.